So now the continued adventures of putting the interior of this car back together. There's been a lot of discoveries. One interesting thing is we were able to use a lot of the trim and nice new parts to kind of button up all the aesthetics here on the interior. Originally, when we got the car, it had the stem for the rear view mirror. And if you notice, it has this area on it. Now that is not for a convertible. Notice the one that we have right here is for a convertible. Now, this is a new one. This is available from Caddy, in addition to, what are some of the other parts that we were using here?
I believe it's the bumpers for the end of the visors. There is these bushings for the convertible top receivers up here. And I believe the, oh yeah, that's right, the vanity mirror for the underside, for the passenger side visor.
Yeah, because we repainted these guys with the vinyl trim, vinyl paint, and so it looks good. That snaps right in there. And all these pieces right here kind of ties everything up, because a lot of these cars you get in and you get the flop on there. They've worn out. Another thing you want to notice is when we got this car, these pillars right along here, they had a pull stop. Now, they probably were rusty or pitted, and so they put that over there to match the interior. Well, that had to go. We have original ones that were re-chromed, and boy, they look really nice. You can see a reflection across the side. So it's looking good. It's coming together.